Welcome back to Alvinsa Studio. Today we're taking you to a breathtaking coastal retreat with a twist, an elegant shipping container home right on the beach. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves with a modern one-bedroom oasis that's as sustainable as it is beautiful. This stylish design proves that small spaces can feel grand with smart architecture and a perfect blend of nature and comfort. Step inside and discover a functional layout that offers relaxation, simplicity, and stunning ocean views. From the open living room to the serene bedroom, every detail invites you to enjoy the tranquil beach lifestyle. Get ready for an inspiring tour of this coastal container home. Like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio. That concludes our tour of this serene shipping container home by the beach where smart design meets coastal living. From the cozy living space to the relaxing bedroom, every corner is designed to maximize comfort and oceanfront charm. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while enjoying these stunning ocean views. Now that's living the dream. Thank you for joining us on this beachside adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to Alvinsa Studio and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more inspiring home tours. Stay connected with us on social media for sneak peeks of our upcoming projects. Until next time, see you in the next video.